Hello and welcome to our video on bones. Our skeletal system provides the framework for our body and supports our muscles, protecting our vital organs and allowing us to move. In this video, we will explore the anatomy of bones, their different types, and the important roles they play in our daily lives. Bones are complex structures made up of living tissue that can grow, repair, and adapt to the stresses placed upon them. They are made up of two main components: collagen, a protein that gives bones their flexibility and strength, and hydroxyapatite, a mineral that provides bones with their hardness and resistance to compression. Bones are divided into several types, including long bones, such as the femur and humerus, short bones, such as the bones in the wrist and ankle, flat bones, such as the skull and ribs, and irregular bones, such as the vertebrae. The primary function of bones is to provide support and protection for our body's vital organs, as well as allowing us to move. Bones work in conjunction with muscles and joints to create movement, and they also produce blood cells and store minerals such as calcium and phosphorus. In addition, bones play a role in regulating the body's pH balance and hormone levels. Maintaining good bone health is important for overall health and well-being, especially as we age. Proper bone care involves eating a balanced diet rich in calcium and vitamin D, engaging in weight-bearing exercise, and avoiding smoking and excessive alcohol consumption. Certain medical conditions, such as osteoporosis, can weaken bones and increase the risk of fractures, so it's important to monitor bone health and seek medical treatment if necessary. In conclusion, bones are a fascinating and essential part of our body that provides structure, support, and protection. Understanding their anatomy, functions, and proper care can help you appreciate the importance of bone health and maintain good overall health. Thanks for watching our comprehensive guide to bones, and we hope you found it informative and useful.